And now suppose we want to sign up an Edmodo account first. We input the website of Edmodo, TrueLight, TRUELIGHT .edmodo.com, Edmodo. And since this website is designed by the Americans, so the name of Edmodo is a bit strange to us. And first, since you are a student, just click on this button, I am a student, to sign up. And now you can enter your group code. And for the 4 different classes, we have 4 different group codes. And for 1A, it will be WQXXVD. And then let's use an example from 1C, 4XA K5V. This is the group code. And Edmodo will check whether the group code is good, is okay or not. Okay. And next, we come to the username. Just input your username. For example, Lee Siu Ling, and make up your own password. And of course, Edmodo will check whether the username, your login ID, is available. And for the password, again, you can set up your own password. And email, although it is displayed as optional, but I suggest you to input your frequently used email address. For example, siuling@gmail.com. Just input your own email address, not this one. And for first name and last name, this is a very important issue because from the experience of last year, this can cause a great number of problems if the first name and last name is not correctly set. For example, for the first name, these rules must be followed. It must be your full name plus your optional English name. For example, if your full name is Lee Siu Ling and your English name is Ada, then you should enter Lee Siu Ling and Ada. So you can input this one, first name. Just your full name. Do not use simple Ada Lee or Betty Chan. These are not acceptable. Use your full name. And for the last name, input your class and class number. For example, if you are from class 1 boy and class number 12, you should input 1B12. And let's say if you are 1A, class number 8, you should input 1A08 as your last name. And of course, it should consist of only 4 letters. Only 4 letters. And all those Chinese characters and symbols like this one are not allowed. And after you have checked this up, you can check this button. You and your parent agree to the terms of service of Edmodo, and then you can click the sign up button. And after a while, you arrive at the front page or the home page of Edmodo, and you can see your first name and last name right here, Lee Siu Ling Ada 1, and you are the role of a student. And you can see all the groups available to you. And you are under the communities of True Light Middle School of Hong Kong, of course. Welcome to the big family of True Light. And actually, you have another parent code. If you give your parent this parent code, he or she can log in Edmodo, and then by using this code FNNANN. And now we can look at some very important features of Edmodo first. And for example, if you click the home button, you return to the home page of Edmodo. And this is the wall of Edmodo. And now you can actually post something in the wall. For example, hi everyone. I am Ada. And then you can choose what the name of the group which your message will be posted or sent to. For example, I select this group 1C, and then if you click send, your post will be posted in the wall of 1C, and just like this one. And if you want to add some file or attach some file to your post, you can just click this button. This is the button for the hyperlink, and this is the button from your backpack. And next, we go to the progress button. If you click on this progress, and this page will show all your activities in Edmodo, including your profile, your progress, your Turnitin assignment, and your posts and replies and everything, and so on. And for the backpack, if you click on backpack, this is the place where all your files will be uploaded to. For example, if you want to add a file or upload a file to your backpack for other purpose, such as Turnitin assignment, you can click this add to backpack, this one or this one. And then you can select a file to upload. For example, I have got a school logo file. Or you can post a link here too. And then click the add button. And now this file is posted to your backpack. And it can be used for other purpose, such as posting to a wall or turning in as an assignment. And again, this backpack is also connected to your Google Drive. If you have a Google account, then all the files stored in the Google Drive can be accessed through here. You can click on this to connect with your Google Drive. And for this button, this will be the notification showing all the Turnitin assignments and posts related to you. And for the accounts button, you can check your own profile and your own account setting. For example, here you can change your email address, but don't change your first name and last name. And you can set your own country. We are now in Hong Kong. You can select Hong Kong. And the time zone is already correct, should be GMT plus 8 hours. And then you can click Save Personal Information. And if you want to upload a photo for your user photo, just click on this Upload a New Photo. Okay, we can just leave this. And afterwards, you can return to the Home button. And on the far right hand side, you have an Edmodo Planner. This will show all the deadlines of your homework, online quiz, or assignment. And you can just explore how to use this planner wisely. And before the lesson ends, I want you to complete a few questionnaires posted on the wall of Edmodo. For example, this question: how long have you been using mobile device? This is a vote. What kind of mobile device do you have? And what functions of your mobile device do you use frequently? And at last, maybe you can do this survey at home. This is a True Light e-learning survey for the year 2013 to 2014. You can just click on this link, and then there will be an online questionnaire for you to answer or to complete. Just input your class and your name, and then answer these questions. But this is a bit long for answering during the lesson time. Maybe you can just complete this at home. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.